My name's Emery Sinclair. I'm the Vice President of Client Success at Revelwood. I started my career in finance and worked with financial applications. I originally started with Revelwood in 2005 and headed up a few of their different areas, including being the Director of Solutions and Strategy. I left at some point to work with some startups globally, mostly in Europe and the Pacific. I'm so excited to come back to Revelwood now because I think that experience is really going to lend itself for me to provide a whole lot of value for our clients. In the new role of VP of Client Success at Revelwood, my goal is to really drive the value our clients can get from our products and services. For us, it's about making sure our clients achieve the outcomes that they've stated and they've desired. So my role is really going to help drive that there, and putting a lot of focus on that has always really been Revelwood's goal. Our goal at Revelwood company-wide is to make sure that our clients are extracting as much value that they possibly can from our products and services. In my role, I'm really shepherding that cause throughout the entire organization. I've been involved with Revelwood since the early 2000s. We've always been very focused on the success of our clients. My new role here is just a further investment to that success. From the top of the company to the bottom, we've always thought about how can we make our clients more successful, and we're continuing to put resources toward that end. If you'd like to learn more about Revelwood, please reach out to us at info@revelwood.com.